Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the BBC News app. This news app has been one of the most highly downloaded news apps on the Play Store. The best part about this app is nothing but the fine details it gives. The news on the BBC News app is extremely authentic, and yeah, so let's go into further details of the app. Alright, so if you've downloaded the app on your phone and if you've installed it on your phone memory, then you can use it as a widget as well. But if it's on your SD card memory, you can't use it as a widget. Right, so the widget is pretty basic. It's not too big, the size is pretty good. It's got it shows you two of the topmost stories. You can refresh it by clicking on the refresh option here. Yeah, so these are the top stories at the moment. You can also view other stories by clicking on the arrow options. Right, going back, yeah. To enter the app, you just click on the BBC News option here. So you're into the app now. You can edit the way you want it to look by the edit option here, and by editing your topics over here. So you suppose if you want to look at the top stories, so this is the top stories panel. To view all the news, you can just slide through. Same goes for the US and Canada news. Anyways, the way you want it to look. Alright, so say you want to look at the latest news, so you just click on it. And yeah, so here you have the latest news. Alright, so if you notice, you can see all these boxes over here. So you can see that the third one's red. So you're presently looking at the third news. So if you want to look at the fourth one, you just slide it again to look at all the news. So to go back to your main panel, you can just press the back button and you're back to the panel. Okay, so the thing about the BBC News app is it doesn't have a very innovative look about it. It's just a basic news app. Yeah, it looks a bit rich, but not too much. The news it provides is amazing, given the fact it's BBC. So if we want to look at say at this news, mass killing in Syria village, so we just click on it, and yeah. So the thing is, one second, going back, we click on this news. So if we want to read this and then go back to this, so we don't have to come back to this window and then click on the Mexico runner-up contest results. You just click on this, finish reading this, and then just sliding it in. So this is how it works. The app is pretty cool. You can also change in your settings by clicking on the menu option. You can change in your privacy settings, ask for help, look at the terms of use, send something to BBC News, and change your settings. So you can share your statistics, automatic news updates. So you can allow BBC to automatically download the latest news, or you can do it manually. So if you enable this option, then these three options get enabled as well. So you can change in your sound you want when you get any notification. So what kind, if you want a notification or not, when you have your BBC News app updates. So I don't keep it automatic, I keep it manual because it eats up a bit of RAM. Anyways, so going back, yeah, so this is how the BBC News app works. It's pretty good, pretty basic, but the news over here is amazing. So the app is good, one of the most highly downloaded apps on the Play Store. So if you like having news on the go, you can go for this app definitely. But I personally feel that the Flipboard News app is better than this, although this has been the most highly downloaded app, probably because it took birth on the Play Store before Flipboard. So anyways, I hope you guys download this app. Thank you so much. Keep watching for my other videos as well. Thank you.